Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, step by step clearly. Open your computer and make sure you are connected to the internet. Click on the Start menu located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Type PowerShell in the search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell from the search results. Select Run as Administrator to open PowerShell with elevated privileges. In the PowerShell window, type the following command, WSL install, and press Enter. This command will begin the installation process for WSL. Wait for a few moments while Windows downloads the necessary components. You may be prompted to restart your computer once the installation is complete. If prompted, type Y and press Enter to confirm the restart. After your computer restarts, open PowerShell again. Type WSL and press Enter to check if WSL is properly installed. You should see a message indicating that WSL is ready to use. Next, type WSL set default version 2 and press Enter to set WSL 2 as your default version. To install a Linux distribution, head over to the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, search for your preferred Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu. Click on the distribution you want to install. Then, click on the Get or Install button to download it. Once the installation is complete, launch the distribution from the Start menu. The first time you open it, you will be prompted to create a user account and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows Subsystem for Linux. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.